Good morning, children. So, children, today we are going with next topic of our chapter number 3, acid, bases and salts. Children, last lecture we discussed about definitions of acids, bases and salts, and we discussed different definitions based on different criteria. Now, children, today we are going with preparation of acids. Children, we are having different methods for preparation of acid. First one is bisynthesis. Binary acids, acid contain two elements, are prepared by this method. H2 plus Cl2 gives 2HCl. Children, here we are having a simply mixture of two gases which produce acids in a liquid form. Second one, by action of water on non-metallic or acidic oxide. Children, you know that non-metallic oxides are acidic oxide. When we dissolve this acidic oxide into water, you are getting acids. Best example, sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. When dissolved in water, they give a respective sulfuric and sulfurous acid. By oxidation of non-metal. Children, by oxidation of non-metal using concentrated nitric acid, they form sulfuric acid and phosphoric acid respectively with sulfur and phosphorus. By displacement reaction. Children, here we are having displacement between two metals, hydrogen and metal sodium with different salts, sodium chloride, sodium nitrate. Now we are having properties of acid. First one, children, you know that they are having sour test, khatta test. That's why the name is given acid. Children, they are sour in a test. Physical state, children, they are in solid H2SO4. COCH2 twice. Tartaric acid, citric acid, phosphoric acid. Children, they are available in liquid form also. Effect on skin, they are corrosive in nature. They produce burning sensation. Change on indicator, blue to red. Blue litmus paper converted into red called acids. Children, litmus blue to red. Methyl orange, orange to pink. Then children, phenolphthalein remain colorless. Carbonic acid, it's a weak acid. Children, you remember what do you mean by strong and weak acid. It turns blue litmus paper pink. It is non-corrosive and not and used in soft drinks. They are electrolytes. What do you mean by electrolytes? The substance which is converted into their respective ions by passing an electric current. They release hydrogen. Reaction with active metals. Children, whenever metal react with acid, they release hydrogen gas. Zn plus HCl. ZnCl2 plus H2. Fe plus H2SO4 gives FeSO4 plus H2. Nitric acid is a very strong oxidizing agent. Children, remember these things. Nitric acid never release hydrogen gas when it react with metals. It is a strong oxidizing agent. It convert whatever the hydrogen is released, converted into water and nitrogen oxides. Reaction with bases, neutralization reaction. Base plus acid gives neutral substance, salt plus water. Reaction with carbonates and bicarbonate. Children, whenever acids react with carbonate and bicarbonate, they release carbon dioxide gas. So can I say when they react with metal, release hydrogen gas? When they react with carbonates and bicarbonate, they release carbon dioxide gas. The hydrogen carbonate of sodium and potassium are the commonly areas which exist in a solid state. Reaction with sulfides and bisulfide. Children, only metal, hydrogen gas. Carbonate, carbon dioxide gas. And sulfides and bisulfide, they release sulfur dioxide gas. Reaction with sulfides. ZnS plus hydrochloric acid gives ZnCl2 plus hydrogen sulfide. Reaction with chlorine. The reaction takes place in two steps since H2SO4 contain two replaceable hydrogen ions. Children, when they react with sodium chloride, they give sodium hydrogen sulfate. Then again it react with sodium chloride, gives sodium sulfate plus hydrochloric acid. So can I say when they react with chlorine they produce hydrochloric acid. 2NaCl plus H2SO4 gives Na2SO4 plus 2HCl. Reaction with nitrate. They release nitric acid. When they react with chlorides, produce hydrochloric acid. When they react with nitrates, they release nitric acid. PbNO3 twice plus 2HCl give PbCl2 plus 2HNO3. Children, can I say here we are having exchange of ions, exchange of non-metals, and we are getting respective acids. Children, what are the general uses of these acids are there? Boric acid, eye washes, disinfectant. Citric acid, food preservative. Vitamin C preparations. Oxalic acid, ink with remover. Children, here we are having a list. A table is given which is give a use of common acids. Children, this is about acids. You have to solve this in text question answers. Next lecture, I will send you the solution of these questions. Bye children. Have a nice day.